how to delete blank page in Word. So if you want to delete a blank page in Word, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Word document. Once you open up your document, now here you will have blank pages, right? So if you want to just remove the blank pages, then what you need to do, the first solution is you just need to simply press backspace and your pages will be deleted. Again, press the blank backspace, and as you can see that the pages has been removed, right? But if you want to go with another process, which is you can just simply go with view, which is here on the upper right, and under view you need to go with navigation pane and go with the pages, and here you will have all of your pages. So you need to select the page that you would like to delete and then hit the backspace, or select the page, right click on it, delete. Or you will also have the delete button on your keyboard. You just need simply click the page or select the page and then press delete on your keyboard. Or it also worked with a backspace. So that's how you can delete your blank page in your Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.